Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Hope you are all good. If you are new to my channel, then please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. In this video I will show you how can we use these tools. Let's begin guys. First I am going to tell you about this self. These are different selection tools. This simple selection. This is lasso tool, and this is paint selection tool. You can select a face, edges and vertex by dragging mouse like brush like this. You are already know the next three options. This is move tool, this is rotate tool, and this is scale tool. And one more option is here. Let me show you. This is last used tool. This is single panel layout. This is four panel layout, and this is two panel layout. You can choose what you want. And last is very important tool, outliner. Like multiple objects, cameras, lights, and etc. You can select from here. And you can do change names. Now the turn of next tab. In this tab I will tell you about regular basic usable options. This is camera. By clicking on this tab you can select the camera and you can change the attributes of camera like focal length and angle of view. Second is camera lock. When you select this tool you can't move anywhere your camera because your camera is locked. Third is camera settings. Fourth is bookmark, and this is very important option, image planner option. I will tell you in the next video about this. This is graph. Look, this is graph. By clicking on this option you can show and hide the graph. This is camera frame option. These are all camera options. I will show you in the next. This option is used for object preview options. Click on this option and you can see wireframe, and wireframe shortcut is 4. Next is shaded mode, and shaded mode shortcut is 5. Next is material option. You can see the used material. And next is shaded with outlines. This is lights. There is no lights, that's why this option is not working. And this is shadows. If you want to see shadow, then you need to create a plane, then turn on shadow mode. Next is isolate tool. This is also very important option. Select any object and click on isolate button. Then you can see only one object which you selected, and other objects will hide like this. And next is extreme mode. You are already know what is extreme mode. That's all in this video, guys. Watch and learn, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye guys.